Hello everyone, I want to review network programming, so happy watching! Today's agenda: first, how to create network in Packet Tracer Cisco. Second, answer from exercise. Let's begin. How to create network in Packet Tracer Cisco. Open Packet Tracer Cisco that you are already downloaded. First, create topology network, and this is the step how to create topology network in Packet Tracer Cisco. First, add 3 PC, 1 switch, and 1 router. Then connect one and another, like this. For router and PC2, it was unconnected and the color is red. So, we have to click router 0 and choose config. Choose Ethernet 0, then check port status to be on, fill IP address and subnet mask. Then choose Ethernet 1, and then check port status to be on and fill IP address and subnet mask, and then close it. And finally, your topology already connected one and another. Then click PC, open config. For example, I take PC 0, and then choose Fast Ethernet 0, create IP address accordance with IP address of Fast Ethernet 0, which is 192.168.88.1, but the last number has been changed to 2. And subnet mask will automatically fill and default gateway in accordance with IP address of Ethernet 0, which is 192.168.88.1. And we have to do the same with PC1 and PC2. So, if we were finished setting all of that, we just need to ping each PC. Then open PC 0, choose desktop, click command prompt, and create ping 192.168.88.2 and then enter. This is the answer from ping 192.168.88.2 and then close it. And that's all for how to create topology network in Packet Tracer Cisco. And next, answer from exercise. First, how many networks are there in the network diagram above? They have 2 networks. Second, should the router be given a routing configuration so that networks that are directly connected to itself can communicate with each other? Mention the reason. Yes, we should, because gateway on network 1 and 2 are not connected. So we must connect networks 1 and 2 with routing command in the router settings. Third, for each PC host, PC-A or PC0, PC-B or PC1, and PC-C or PC2. Provide addressing allocations so that the network diagram above can communicate with each other with the format PC-A or 0 IP address 192.168.88.2. For the subnet mask, it is the same with PC-A, PC-B, and PC-C. So subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and gateway is the same with PC-B 192.168.88.1 and network ID 192.168.88.0, and this is the same with PCB or 1. And next, PCB or 0 for IP address 192.168.88.3 And the last, PCC or 2 for IP address 192.168.1.2, gateway 198.168.1.1, network ID 192.168.1.0. So this is screenshot for PC0 or PCA, PCB or 1, and the last PCC or 2. And network ID is the portion of an IP address that identifies the TCP or IP network on which host resides. And next, number 4. Provide the addressing configurations for each fast Ethernet router interface, assuming fast Ethernet router interface, assuming fast Ethernet 0 is connected to the switch and fast Ethernet 1 is directly connected to PCC. So, the answer is, this is fast Ethernet 0 and the IP address is 192.168.88.1 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and fast Ethernet 1 for fast Ethernet router 1 is IP address 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask, it is the same with fast Ethernet 0 router 255.255.255.0. And I take screenshot for IP address and subnet mask for fast Ethernet 0 and fast Ethernet 1. And next, we are going to number 5. What type of cable is used to connect each device in the network diagram above? Straight, cross, rollover. Before we start the answer, straight refers to cables that have the pin assignments on each end of the cable. Cross are very much like straight cable with the exception that TX and RX lines are cross cable. And rollover is most commonly called rollover cables, have opposite pin assignments on each end of the cable, or it is other words, it is called rollover. So the first answer for PCA and switch is straight. PCB and switch or PC1 or to switch is straight. And switch to router is straight. And the last, router to PCC or PC2 is cross. And the last number, 6, what command can be used to check the connections between existing hosts? We are using command ping and IP address in PC command like interface. For example, when we want to call PCA or 0 from PCB or 1, like this. And that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening and watching. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. My name is Revinda Saktyawati. See you everyone!